Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a YouTube thumbnail on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select this video of, my tutorial, and I'm just going to select this part, which is the important part. Then I'm going to select freeze, and I'm going to delete the rest because this is what we just currently need. I'm also going to kind of adjust the video like so. Then I'm going to select canvas, and I'm going to select style, and I'm going to choose the kind of style I want. You can choose any that you want, of course. Let's see which one works the best. It might take a while. Okay, I'm just going to use this one. Then you're going to go to stickers, and then I'm going to try to find a frame for it. But if you can't, I'm just going to use the mask button later on. So I'm just going to find a frame for it, for instance like this maybe, and I'm just going to scale it down. And I know there's a text, but we can fix it later, or you can try to find another frame for it. Maybe like this one. I'm just going to scale it, but I'm also going to go to the video and I'm going to mask it so it fits the frame. So select the video, go to mask, and select the rectangle one, and kind of just adjust it to the sticker. And then you can just add in a text here. For instance, like CapCut tutorial. And I'm also going to change the font, and I'm going to put it to the side, kind of. Actually, let's just move this. Hold on. Let's just move this video to the left a little bit first, as well as the sticker, because it's kind of in the way. And I'm going to move the text to here, and then you can add in some text effects if you want, or like a text bubble as well. Let's find like a blue one. Oh, I do not like that one, but okay, kind of like that. Maybe like this one. You can change the color of it as well here. And then to export it as like a JPEG, just select this bit, export still frame, and I'm just going to name it YouTube thumbnail, and press export. And you can also import it to your project to see that it is now an image. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!